Hey, this is Jeremy. I'm wanting to do a video for you real quick on my ZX10R 2012, the M4 Street Slayer. So let's see what I can put together for you real quick. Turn this around. This right here is the ZX10 in question. I've been messing with it here and there. Here goes my ZX10R Street Slayer exhaust. I definitely like it. But I love the bike, man. I'm going to start doing a couple more videos. Hopefully I can put this GoPro on my helmet and figure all that good stuff out. But right now I'm going to do the sound for you real quick. Sound bite. That's it right there, man. Where all the magic comes from. Give me a thumbs up if you like it. See you next time.